1800 Valley Road. We got this piece of interesting equipment. Former Dover. I'm starting to think this might be a complete replacement. However, the fact that the COP is like this might mean the original car is still here. Nice. One. Those might be the original Dover door tracks, though. At least on the exterior doors. One more time. Two. This is practically the tallest elevator at William Paterson now. Like, look how high this is. Oh, one more thing. Yeah, that might be all new equipment. But those door tracks have to be at least a Dover. And hello, security. Alright, back to one. You can see the tape is still on the door from when they were modernizing this. Okay, that's enough. And there it goes. That's it.